See, he don't want to move. He wants to go another way. This stubborn boy.
He don't want to move. He don't want to move. Because he
Where
wants
you
to
want to
go
go?
another way.
Not allowed there. Yala. See, oh. He don't want. Oh. Kamu na. Tignan na mo. Gusto niya na ibang way. Ayaw ko pumunta doon, oh. Alam mo, gusto niya pumunta doon, oh. Tatawid doon. Alam mo kung bakit? Kita siya ng mga chicks doon. Oh. Bugoy ka na, ha? Yala na. Tara. Come on. Here. Okay, good boy. Yala, stop, baba, stop.